I want to catch it.
I feel like cutting would be more easier.
Really? Yes, that sounds good.
But I also want to like focus.
Should we do like, what should we like match or like, that would be cool. We should match. We should go with like
Because there's like variety because some people like they want for
guys, she looks
so
a
they can see
little
all their veins.
This is Maylee. Hi, I'm Alyssa. I'm Adriana.
Sergio. Oh my god. I'm Frank.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, have you guys heard about the art contest that's coming up?
No, what contest are you talking about?
She hasn't heard of it.
Oh, it's the Labor Day drawing contest. So is the due date after the long weekend? Yes, it's right after the long weekend.
I would love to draw a cop car to match my career.
Oh, that's interesting. What about you?
Yeah, I'll probably draw like an airplane.
Maybe like something involving makeup or stuff like that.
Oh, that sounds really
like
interesting.
I think I'm gonna draw a nurse.
Oh wow, I'm thinking of drawing a patient on a dental chair because I am like striving my way to become a dental hygienist. Yeah. I heard the prizes are gonna be really like nice and big. Like I feel like
The gift basket.
the gift baskets, like whoever wins is gonna enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay.
I thought a gift card would be great inside of a gift basket.
Also her like pencils, yeah.
Like necessities that you would need for school.
Doesn't matter what it is. Okay, now try. Go again.